Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: battery level, keyboard in pairing mode, and laptop Bluetooth active. Turn the keyboard on and trigger pairing, usually a long press of FN plus P or a dedicated Bluetooth button, so it broadcasts. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings and make the device discoverable. This is why visibility matters. The keyboard sends an advertisement that the laptop must detect. Once you see the keyboard name, select it promptly to start the secure handshake and move to establishing a connection. Once paired, you complete the connection by accepting any prompts and entering a PIN if required. Many keyboards use 0000 or 1234, but follow on-screen instructions to be safe. After the secure link forms, make sure the OS assigns the correct keyboard layout, US, UK, or custom, and configure function key behavior in system preferences or vendor software so media keys work as expected. If drivers are needed, install the manufacturer package. This ensures to finish, test the keyboard thoroughly, type across apps, use media keys, and check battery reporting. If keys are missing or lag appears, make sure the keyboard is within range and free of interference. Move other 4 GHz devices away and try another USB port or adapter. If problems persist, remove the device from Bluetooth, restart both devices, and repair. As a last resort, update keyboard firmware or drivers. This often fixes compatibility bugs and stabilizes the connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.